doing all right, buddy?
Yeah, no, I'm not all right. No, I haven't. No, I'm not all right. I haven't been all right. I haven't been all right since you left.
What happened? What happened?
She got mad. I kept putting waffles in the microwave. She said they weren't getting toasted
I
right.
told you can't put waffles.
Well, what am I supposed to do? You just put them in the microwave.
You're supposed to put them in the toaster. Toaster. I said toaster. There's no such thing as a microwaved waffle. You want soggy waffles all your life? Your life's just gonna be soggy. You got a soggy life.
Yeah.
I guess you refrigerate your syrup too, don't you?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, a little bit.